I think Roohi and Afza are very different from Anju and Manju.
What is producer?
Producer is my favorite game. I used to say that अच्छा ठीक है हम सब producers हैं अगर हम ये film remake कर रहे हैं तो director कौन ले actor कौन ले so we used to recast Hollywood films and old movies and pretend that we're making it.
Yeah.
And we take it really seriously कि नहीं ये actor के dates नहीं मिलेंगे इसके लिए try करते हैं.
Sneakily cheated on their diet while filming for the film.
Openly.
Not sneaky.
Yeah, हमारा कोई diet था ही नहीं सर.
जानवी घर से बिरयानी आई है, सब खाएंगे.
अरे of
अब
course
ये
मैं
हम तो गेम खेल रहे थे ना most likely to.
नहीं but I've caught him so many times. I'm looking at my phone और मुझे sense होता था कि इनकी आंखें मेरे
मेरे
phone
को
में.
बड़ा मजा आता है मैसेज पढ़ने का.
They say home is where the heart is, and let's admit our heart is little bit in films and theatres of course. And guess who has brought us to the theatres exactly after 1 year? It's the fabulous cast of Roohi. I have Rajkummar Rao, Janhvi Kapoor and Varun Sharma with me today on Bollywood Bubble, and I'm very excited. Firstly, I have to tell you the trailer looks amazing. I'm
Thank
also particularly excited because Stree was something which I was blown away when I watched it. I remember walking out of the theatres with a smile, and that is exactly. I know यहाँ पे डराने भी वाले हो आप लोग, but वो eventually you end up smiling.
Yeah.
That is exactly what I'm expecting from this movie as well. But tell me, do you also feel the pressure because Stree did exceptionally well, and this is the same universe, second film in the same universe. Do you feel that pressure?
Well, it's a very different film from Stree. You know, Stree will always be special because it was the first film in that genre, and it broke so many rules and conventions. So I think that will always be special. But I would say don't compare it to Stree. See it as an independent film. It has a different story, different world altogether. Only the genre is same. But apart from that, Roohi has its own soul. It has its own, great writing and a lot of comedy and some thrills.
Yeah, Janhvi, are you a little excited as well as nervous at this point?
Yeah, I mean it's my first theatrical release after Dhadak, so it feels like I don't know a new world, a new beginning, and everything. And I'm very very excited. I'm very hopeful. And I think when you make a film, the agenda is for it to reach people, and I think the best medium through which this film can reach audiences is on the big screen.
True.
ये लाइफ है यार. आई थिंक ये बहुत ही टाइम के बाद एक फिल्म आ रही है जो थिएटर में देखने का जिसका मजा आएगा, कम्युनिटी व्यूइंग में उसका मजा आएगा. सो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी दैट अ फिल्म लाइक रूही इज टेकिंग दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप एंड नाउ काफी स्टेट्स में 100% ऑक्यूपेंसी है. थिएटर्स वापस फॉर्म में आ गए हैं, सेफ्टी मेजर्स लिए जा रहे हैं. आओ मजे करो, हंसो, एंजॉय करो. आपने कहा था स्ट्रीम में स्माइल करते हुए बाहर गए थे, इसमें भी होप आप स्माइल करते करते भी बाहर निकले.
I am also hopeful for that, and that is exactly what I'm rooting for. But tell me, how was it on the set? Because again, I know Janhvi is a foodie. अभी हमने थोड़ा बहुत glimpse राजकुमार का भी देखा, where he was also showing his foodie side to us. But tell me, how was it in general on set with all this? Because of course pandemic was going on right around.
Khana was Janhvi's department.
No, but खाना तो हम तीनों बहुत खाते थे.
What did you guys bond over the most?
खाना. Of course, मेरे डब्बे से पराठे वराठे यूज़ था.
जोकिंग है. अरे बट खाने की अगर बात करें, आई थिंक जानवी के घर का खाना बहुत ही ज्यादा अमेजिंग होता है.
So nice.
और इनके घर में एक हमारे जैसे रेगुलर घर में एक डिश, दो डिश, तीन डिश बनती है ना, एक दाल, एक सब्जी, एक रोटी और साथ में इनके घर में 8-9 चीजें एक साथ बनती हैं.
मैं ना हर फिल्म सेट में पहले फिल्म केटरर बनती हूँ और फिर एक्टर. That's literally my job designation on every film set. I'm the caterer first. I really think that's why people cast me, not because of anything else.
But Janhvi, I have to ask you because when Nadiyo Par released, and I was just going through comments, and there were such great comments for you, especially wherein people were like, they have seen such an improvement in you as an actor. Because I remember there was a time when people would just compare you and just say कि यार star kid है, so they would not appreciate the effort that you made. In this song and the trailer, I see an effort being made, but from the audience's side as well, where there is an acceptance. Do you also feel that there's slightly more acceptance now?
Yeah,
and they identify your talent more now?
I hope so. I feel like they've become warmer towards me. But I mean, it's important to recognize कि ये अभी trailer है और गाना है, सिर्फ film अभी बाकी है, and I hope that they feel the same way after seeing the film. And हर फिल्म में everyone gives their 100%, and I've given my 100% all of the work that I've done, and I hope I continue to push myself and win over more people with my work.
Tell me now, Janhvi, I have to ask you, because you're playing a dual role in this, and that in itself is a challenge because you are playing two different characters, right? I remember very vividly that, you know, Chalbaaz was one movie of your mother which really was a turning point in her career, as well as something which all of us, I'm sure,
Absolutely.
still enjoy, and she had a double role in that. Did it ever cross your mind that, you know, that this film could be a turning point in your career as well? I mean,
No, I don't think people sign films thinking कि ये turning point होगा तो मैं ये करूँगी. I just really liked the role, and I think Roohi and Afza are very different from Anju and Manju. Very different. But no, I didn't go into it thinking कि ये turning point होगा, and I didn't go into it thinking कि ये मुश्किल होगा, ये double role है. Honestly, my mindset was कि ये बहुत exciting है, इसमें बहुत ऐसे scope लग रहा है कि मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. And उसी mindset से गई अभी, and I didn't think कि ये shit बहुत बड़ा challenge है. It didn't, for some reason it didn't occur to me like that at all. अभी जब लोग पूछ रहे कि dual role है double, I didn't even think of it as a double role actually.
wow.
I don't know why. Maybe I'm just like retarded or stupid.
No.
But I'm sure that people will be left amazed when we see each one of yours performance. I know, I mean, we have been rooting for it always. And also the big screen presence and the experience is something we were all missing throughout, right? And that is exactly what we are hoping that we'll get finally. Now with that, I just need 2 minutes of yours wherein we'll do the most likely game. So in आप तीनों में से who is most likely to?
Okay.
You can name that person.
वो हम producer बहुत खेलते थे set पे.
What's that?
Now explain.
हम ऐसे ही games खेलते रहते थे. Producer, dumb charades और क्या और भी कुछ.
But what is producer?
Antakshari.
You would.
What is producer?
Producer is my favorite game. I used to say that अच्छा ठीक है हम सब producers हैं. अगर हम ये film remake कर रहे तो director कौन ले, actor कौन ले. So we used to recast Hollywood films and old movies and pretend that we're making it. And we take it really seriously कि नहीं ये actor के dates नहीं मिलेंगे इसके लिए try करते हैं.
Most likely.
Okay, so most likely to. So who is most likely to give the most number of takes?
Me?
No. I don't know. Could be anyone, depending on
Depends on the scene.
But if you remember in this film, if someone.
Actually, we didn't. Neither of us gave a lot of takes for anything.
He's like मेरे को मेरा नाम.
तुझे घड़ी भी ली. ज़्यादा टेक भी तू ही देगा. ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. सारा खुद लेगा. सारा जहर खुद पिएगा.
Okay, give a perfect shot, but still ask for more. Who is very critical of their performance?
I think you would give a good shot and still ask for one more.
Yeah, that even Janhvi would do, and that even I think I would.
I think.
Yeah, all of us. Yeah.
Sneakily cheated on their diet while filming for the film.
Openly.
All of us. Not sneaky.
Yeah, हमारा कोई diet था ही नहीं सर.
जानवी घर से बिरयानी आई है, सब खाएंगे.
Come late on set.
No. That nobody does.
Party like a boss.
Not really. You know, you get really tired after 13-14 hours of shoot. Who would party? मतलब Varun, whenever we had a break, I think Varun would really play his music and get into his groove. Yeah.
Who has a better comic timing though?
Hardik.
Yeah.
Amongst you three.
Hardik.
Me.
Janhvi, though she's playing this Chudel, but yeah, I think
Chudel.
Chudel and Roohi.
Most likely to eavesdrop on a conversation. कभी कुछ सुना है आपके? कभी कुछ ऐसा पढ़ा है?
अरे of course मैं
हम तो गेम खेल रहे थे ना most likely to.
नहीं but I've caught him so many times. I'm looking at my phone और मुझे sense होता था कि इनकी आंखें मेरे फोन में.
बड़ा मजा आता है मैसेज पढ़ने का लोग.
कभी कुछ ऐसे अपने बारे में पढ़ा है कोई बिच कर रहा हो?
क्या देखा मेरे फोन पे?
बताई तू खुद ही पूछ के सवाल.
Okay, lastly, most likely to remain asleep while the alarm is going on.
Me.
Okay, great. Thank you, all of you,
Thank you.
and all the very best for Ruhi. I'm sure it will leave us.